Good afternoon and welcome to the Institute of World Politics. Today's lecture is preceded by a performance of the domra by Charles Winkler. Mr. Winkler is a longtime friend and colleague of the late IWP professor Robert Stephan, in whose honor this event is being held. Mr. Winkler was a Department of Defense analyst for more than 30 years, specializing in Soviet, Russian, East European, and Middle Eastern matters, and threat analysis in particular. He has worked for the Department of the Army, the Library of Congress, the State Department, and other agencies during his career, both in the United States and abroad. He has traveled, studied, and worked in the Balkans and the former Soviet Union, and he is professionally fluent in Russian, Serbo-Croatian, Bulgarian, and Macedonian. In retirement, he applies his national security analyst perspective and research skills to matters of domestic and foreign affairs. He also plays classical violin with several orchestras, bluegrass and classical mandolin, and the Russian domra with the Washington Balalaika Society Orchestra. He has shown his art photographs in many one-man and group shows. Mr. Winkler, thank you for being with us today.
Well, it's my pleasure to be here, and it's a small thing I can do to honor my friendship with Professor Stephan. Thank you.
All right.